Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into another secret website and a series of secret websites, and each and every week we introduce you to amazing websites or platforms where you can sell work and can make money online as an artist, as a creative entrepreneur, and as a print-on-demand seller. So in today's video, we're going to cover another amazing website we have on our list for today's video. So let's dive in. Before clicking the like button, guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such videos, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below, or simply head over to globook.com, check out the freebie section, and you can use it. Also, we are soon going to start with the exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. All the content that will be delivered in your email inbox via that exclusive email newsletter will be exclusive. That means it won't be posted on anywhere in the online space. It would contain the print-on-demand content, the tools, tips and tricks, and necessary important things that are really helpful to you to make more money. The link is in the description box below. Subscribe to that email newsletter. It's 100% free. Right now it's on waitlist. We will going to definitely send you an email once it's live. So consider subscribing. The link is in the description box below. Let's talk about today's secret website, because if you haven't been following us so far, you won't be knowing about it, that we each and every week make these secret websites and videos and talk about them. I'm going to leave the complete playlist of the secret website in the card section above. If you are someone who don't know about it and you want to check out the different opportunities that you have in the online space that you could utilize to make more money. Of course, some of them are the marketplaces where you can sell your work, and some of them are not a marketplaces. They are the services that you can integrate with your website, the Shopify, the Weebly, Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy, Store and We, and different kinds of the platforms, and then can start selling the print-on-demand products. So each platform is unique in their own sense, depending on what kind of products they're serving, their services, and what are the offerings they have. So in today's website, we have another website that is not that popular and also is not that old website. It's a little bit more new. That is the Printed Mint. Now, many of you guys wouldn't be able to hear about it. I'm going to leave the complete link of this website in the description box below. You can check it out. But let's talk about this website, what's new about this website, and how you can utilize it to make more money. So if you just head over to the website, it's written that Printed Mint, the wholesale products for beautiful brands. So as rightly said on the first page itself, that this website will definitely going to offer you the wholesale products. If you're looking for selling your work, buy the products from this website and can start selling. Designed by you, delivered by us. No minimum order, so you don't need a minimum inventory to actually order it, something like that. No inventory, branding is there. Celebrate your brand with custom packaging, labels, and more. Take control. Designing product is easy enough for beginners and versatile enough for pros. You can count on us to be there for you when your customers need you the most. So design beautiful products. So they have the over 100 different products. The possibilities are endless. So that's amazing. Whenever you are picking up any print-on-demand website, look out for the products they have. If they have the more products, then it's better the chance to get the more sales, and also to incorporate new stuffs in your shop. To custom packaging, make your packages stand out with custom packaging, totally unique to your branding. So it's all there. Now, seamless integration with these e-commerce platform, the Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, WooCommerce. Then they have the featured products, the mugs, the mug glasses, the cosmetic bag, tote bag, lightweight, mug latte. Now we will going to talking about this website, about a section. What is this website all about, and what are the products and how you can sell and start making money with that. So let's talk about the About section. So About Us, Printed Mint is specialty wholesale print plus fulfillment company that specializes in one-off printing and branded dropship solutions. So they are specialized in wholesale. So if you're someone who's starting with a print-on-demand website, call it a business or a brand, then this website is exactly for you, because you can get the products at lesser rate, at a discounted rate, rather than buying them at retail price. It's better to buy them at the wholesale price. So our customers encompass small to medium-sized boutique brands and retail stores nationwide. We also offer enterprise solutions for large-scale companies. Our moment happened during our time as e-retailers. We wish there was a printing company that could provide quality products, consistent printing methods, and branded packaging. Time and time again, we were discouraged by inconsistent results in generic packaging, leaving our customers with a poor brand experience. One of our favorite motto we share with our kids is create something you wish existed, and so we did. The Printed Mint brand and concept came into life in 2015. So it's not old brand, guys. It's come alive in 2015 only. We recognize the true need for consistent one-off printing solution that included branded packaging. By offering the wholesale opportunity with unique finishing touches, we are creating a totally unique experience for savvy entrepreneurs everywhere. The core values: excellence, dedication, community, teamwork, gratitude, inspiration. You can very well check out the complete detail about it. Now, what's the mission? To inspire the creative spirit by providing design fulfillment solution to anyone with a desire to own a product-based business. One product or 1,000, it's no problem. We highlight a customer's brand, encourage employee growth, and deliver smileys on time every time. How it actually look like, how you can add your own brand name, the various detail about the delivering packaging services they offer, explore printed stuff, getting started, and all those kind of stuff they have. So right now they have like 38,000 retailers who are building beautiful brands with their company, which is pretty amazing numbers, because they are just the new. They are started back in the 2015. They are not an old brand. That's what I said in the very beginning, that it's a new brand. Open a wholesale account today, so you can open it. How are you going to sell on this website? Now, first of all, this company is based in the Phoenix in the United States. So this is a little bit about the intro about the brand. Now let's talk about how you can sell. What are the different products? Let's talk about what are the different products that you can sell via this website. First of all is the accessories, the deck products, the phone cases, the tote and bags, travel and weekend. Then they have the apparels for the different kinds of the apparels. You can see the canvas tees and all kind of t-shirts, baby sizes. So they have the complete section of the apparel, baby and kids, and the holidays. Another section they have the home goods, mugs and drinkware, pets, poster prints, tech products. So you can go into much details, and they have almost 100 products on their product catalog. So it is pretty amazing. Now, how are you going to work with that? I don't see that this is a marketplace where you can sell your work. I see it as a print-on-demand service like Refined Gooden, where you can connect your website or Etsy or WooCommerce, Shopify, whatever it is, and can start selling. So if I just go over to the section of getting started to learn a little bit about how you can sell via this website and all. So explore our resources. You can check out the FAQ section, product info, and all those kind of stuff over here. You can either call them or also send them an email at thewholesale@printedmint.com, because that's what we are really interested in, about knowing about how we can sell the stuff. Adding printed mint products to your shop, setting up your custom packaging, creating design files, placing your first order. So this is not a marketplace, guys. For those of you looking for selling your work via this marketplace, it's not a marketplace. It's a kind of like a print-on-demand service, wholesale packaging company, which offer the products, services at the wholesale, and you can integrate with the Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy, and can start selling your print-on-demand products on your own website. So you can't sell the products on this website. So this is a little bit downside about this website, because it's not a marketplace, it's a print-on-demand service. So that's the unique thing about it. Now let's talk about why we should choose this website only. What's unique about this Printed Mint? So at Printed Mint, we understand the importance of delivering beautiful products on time every time. Your orders are handled with the utmost care by talented and skilled professionals who believe in your success and care about the products your customers receive. We handicraft every order in our production facility, offering 150 plus amazing products and servicing thousands of retailers just like you. Printed Mint has become one of the leading print-on-demand companies in the United States and has a reputation for excellence and unparalleled customer service. So it's powered by the people. No inventory means no risk. Quality over quantity. It's your business. Volume and quick turnaround. A marketplace is a print-on-demand service. You need to connect it with the Printify, Printiful, and Gooden. Check out the product catalog, because they have the 150 plus product, which is amazing. I have already talked about the integration. You can very well check out their website about integration, how to actually integrate with your website or Etsy or Shopify, whatever it is. They have the separate page for complete details about it. And you can very well check it out, the billing options, the pay for orders manually, the returns. You can even order the samples to see whether the quality is good or not, and check out all those kind of stuff. While they're opening up a brand around the print-on-demand, then this website is exactly for you. One of the most amazing thing that I find about this website is the wholesale. They offer the wholesale. Now, many of the other print-on-demand services or companies, they don't offer this wholesale price, which really is a downside for those companies, because then you have to purchase the products at a high rate and your profit per product actually reduces down if there is no wholesale offer. So I think that's one of the major amazing fact about this website, that you can have the wholesale price. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you find this video enjoyable and helpful. Do let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever heard about the printed mint? Are you looking forward to selling this website? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.